Hi friends, I'm here to speak about World Space Week. Do you guys know what World Space Week is? World Space Week is an international celebration of science and technology for the betterment of human condition. World Space Week is the largest annual space event in the world. It helps build the workforce of tomorrow by inspiring students. It educates the public about various space activities. It demonstrates visible public support for various space programs. The second question that comes to your mind is, why is it World Space Week and not day? Well, the choices of the dates were based on the recognition of two important dates from the space history. First, the launching of the first artificial satellite Sputnik 1 on October 4th in 1957 and the signing of the Outer Space Treaty on October 10th, 1967. That is why, folks, we celebrate World Space Week from October 4th to 10th.
Can fish swim in microgravity? Do bees make honey in space? Can ant farms exist on space stations? These are just a few mind-boggling questions that scientists have been wanting to solve by sending critters into space. Now hold on to your hats, because here's a list of the brave animals who journeyed beyond our planet. Back in 1948, a brave rhesus macaque named Albert I soared to new heights. He wasn't exactly off to space, but he did hitch a ride on a V2 rocket and rocketed over 63 kilometers above Earth's surface in a high subspace adventure. Now that's what I call a real adventure.
Missions around the world and India from 1980 to 2003. Hayabusa was launched by Japan from 2003 to 2010. Galileo was launched by NASA from 1989 to 2003. It became the first spacecraft to orbit an outer planet. It studied the planet Jupiter and its moons, as well as the asteroids Gaspara and Ida. It was launched by NASA on 22 October 1989. It was successfully operational till 21 September 2003, when the annual World Space Week theme was Space Horizon Beyond Earth. Missions from India. Kalpana 1. India's first meteorological satellite, Kalpana 1, was launched in 2002, when the annual World Space Week theme was Space and Daily Life. Chandrayaan 1 was the first lunar probe launched by India on 22 October 2008, when the annual World Space Week theme was Exploring the Universe. The main objectives of the mission were to orbit around the moon and to dispatch an impactor to its surface. The location of the Moon Impact Probe on the lunar surface is termed as the Jawahar Point. The mission was successfully operational till 21 September 2009, when the annual World Space Week theme was Space for Education. Mars Orbiter Mission. Unofficially known as Mangalyaan, MOM was India's first interplanetary mission. It was launched by ISRO on 5 November 2013, when the annual World Space Week theme was Exploring the Mars, Discovering Earth. It was successfully placed onto the Martian orbit on 24 September 2014, when the annual World Space Week theme was Space Guiding Your Way. The main objectives of the mission were to study the Martian atmosphere, surface, and mineral composition. ExceedSat-1. India's first privately funded satellite, ExceedSat-1, was launched on 2018.
Chandrayaan 3 is the third mission of the Chandrayaan program, a series of lunar exploration developed by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) and launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center on 14 July 2023. The mission consists of the lunar lander named the Vikram and the lunar rover named the Pragyan, similar to those launched aboard Chandrayaan 2 in 2019. Designed and developed by the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) and various other institutions. It will be orbiting off about 1.5 km from the Earth in a halo orbit around the L1 Lagrange point between the Earth and the Sun, where it will study about the solar atmosphere and the solar magnetic storms and the effect of the environment around the Earth. Space Research Organization (ISRO) and aims to demonstrate the human spaceflight capabilities by launching a crew of 3 members to an orbit of 400 kilometers or 250 miles for a 3-day flight and safely returning them to Earth.
The celebration recognizes the significant role that space science and innovation play in improving mankind's well-being. Various space-related activities are led by space agencies such as planetariums, educational foundations, astronomy lovers, and museum corporations. The World Space Week of 2023 is upon us, and with it comes hundreds of events across the globe. This year's 24th celebration will start from October 4th to October 10th with the theme of space and entrepreneurship.
Subramanian Chandrasekhar. In the beginning of 1930s, Subramanian Chandrasekhar formulated the theories for the development that stars subsequently undergoes. He showed that hydrogen fuels of stars in certain size runs out and collapses to form a brilliant compact star known as the white dwarf. His theories on relativistic, astrophysics and mathematical theories of black holes are also notable ones.
Satish Dhawan is an Indian mathematician and aerospace engineer widely regarded as the father of fluid dynamics research in India. Born in Srinagar, he was educated in India and further on in the US.
Vikram Sarabhai. His establishment of Indian Space Research Organization was one of his greatest achievements.
APJ Abdul Kalam, born and brought up in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, is an Indian aerospace scientist and statesman who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007.
He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work on ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. Who's next?
Who knows? The next world-famous scientist could be a Rajagirian.
It's all about pursuing your dreams. Thank you.